Hello everyone, good morning all. So let's solve the another SQL problem. So we have given the activity table. In the activity table, they have given us the player ID, device ID, event date and games played by each of the player. Now player ID and event date is the primary key of this table. Means both of this column combination is the primary key. This table shows the activity of the players of some games. Each row is a record of a player who logged in and played a number of games before logging out on some day using some device. Write a solution to find the first login date for each player. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. So let's see. So this is the activity table data. So in the activity table, if you see the event date column, now first login date mean minimum of event date for each player, right? So over here if you see 1st March is the minimum date, right? Then for this player it is only one date, so only one date, so it will become the first login date automatically, right? And now for this third player, 2nd of March is the first login date. So for each of the player we need to find minimum of login date, right? So let me create this table. No need to do this one. Let me insert the data into the same. Now we need to identify the minimum of login date for each of the player, right? So simple thing, if we do this one, then it will give the same result which is showing over here in the output. Minimum first login date means minimum of login date, right? Now what is the second way of solving this problem? Let me show you that one also. So select star from, let me directly select this table. So player ID, event date, let me try this one, partition by. We need to use dense rank function, right? Let me use the dense rank function. For each player we need to find, right? Order by event date as RK. Now let me try to execute this query. So it will show you the minimum of login date as the first login date, right? Now what we need to do? Simple thing, we need to encapsulate this block into the CTE. In the now select star from RK where RK equal to 1, and we need to take which date over here? S- Player ID, let me copy this one and this one both and run this query. So if you run both of this query, it should give the same result, right? 1st March, 25th June and 2nd March for player ID 1, 2 and 3, right? So these are the two different approaches we have solved this problem. Approach 1, and this is the approach 2. Now there is one more approach is there. Please do specify your solution of the third approach through which we can solve this problem in the comment section of the video. Thank you everyone.